YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dia, aka Daily Dose of Dia. And I'm here today to bring you guys some Halloween trick-or-treat makeup tutorials. Okay, so I went to Ross over the weekend and Walmart and I found some goodies for you guys. Look, I got this. It's actually a face mask. It's a bandana, a scarf, all that all in one. This was $4.99 and it came with two. It came with a black one and like this little snake reptile pattern. So I'm gonna be doing this for you guys today. I'm gonna try and remake that for my face. And I went to Walmart and they had a whole section for 98 cents and $3.98 section. There I got some lashes and I also got these press-on nails. You see it's Kiss, it got a skull on it and everything. Excuse the lighting and the quality. I tried, oh, look at this. I tried to put like a little setup for you guys, give you guys a different scenery, and it's just falling apart on me. Okay, it do not want to stay. Hold up. Okay, you guys, this is the bandana when I took it out, and this is what it looks like. And this is how I would wear it if I was wearing this out trick-or-treating or to a haunted house. Okay, guys, so I'm going in with my Rimmel London Magnifying Eyes eye primer. I'm putting this all over my lid, and I'm going to blend it in. This just make sure the colors on the palette will show up better, make them more visible. I'm going in with my e.l.f. palette, and I'm going to be using these three colors here. And this is the shade Evergreen. I'm going to put this all over my lid and exaggerate it outwards to be a more dramatic, smoky effect. Going with this color. This is called Element. Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna go in with my nudes palette and just get that jet black. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with some liquid eyeliner. Alright, you guys, so this is where the fun part happens, okay? So we're going to kind of create the snake scales on our face. So what I did was cut a piece of my onion bag. Yeah, so if you have fishnet stockings, you can use that. Or if you have like some type of see-through, something with holes like this, we're going to place it on our face just like that. And we are going to create the scales. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the moss color, the shimmery gold, and we're gonna repeat that same process with these. You can see the scales a bit. I'm gonna show you out in a better lighting. So this gold shimmery color really makes it look like reptile skin. And you can do this on your entire face if you want a full face reptile snake look. But this was solely for anyone that was using a face mask this Halloween. So I just wanted to keep it on my cheekbones and on my forehead. This is why you need a fishnet stocking, because I can't hold on to this in place, you know? Now I'm just adding these really dramatic lashes. And I can't forget about the nails. Alright you guys, so this is the finishing look. I wanted to give you guys a better view. So I'm in my bathroom with the better lighting. You guys see the scales, right? See how that turned out? If the fishnet stockings were probably bigger ones, but I love that hack. Over here you can see the scales, glitter. Ooh, ooh. Excuse the lashes, okay? These nails, I'm loving these nails, okay? They match my shirts so well. Okay, so I did like a brown. I did have a burgundy lip. I kind of mixed it, and then I put like a gold lipstick right here to kind of give it like that shimmer ombre, you know? So yeah, this is my snake look. I didn't even get my bandana out. Hold up. Alright you guys, I'm back. I had to get the bandana. This was the whole point, you know, with the bandana. Obviously you don't have to do the lipstick if you're gonna be wearing a face mask. You should be wearing a face mask. If you're gonna be in like in a large group setting, please wear a face mask.